No, energy is the ability to do work or cause change. To our discussion, we need to deal with the temperature or temperature. And when we say temperature, it is the average kinetic energy of the individual particles in a goes from one phase to another. And what happens during a phase change or change of state? During a phase change, heat energy is either absorbed or released. Heat energy is released as molecules slow down and move closer together. And heat energy is absorbed as molecules speed up and expand. As you can see on the screen, red arrow shows the adding of energy from solid to gas, while blue arrows shows the removing of energy from gas to solid. Here, you can think of the phase changes that change from one phase to another. Do you still remember physical change? Actually, class, phase changes is under the category of physical change. And when we say physical change, it is a change of matter without changing the identity of the substance. Also, it is a change in state, a change in size, shape, and mass. And physical change does not change the chemical makeup of the matter. Examples are grind, dissolve, erode, rip, tear, break, phase change, which is melt, freeze, condense, dry ice, boiling water, and many more. As we learn those things, we need to deal with types of phase changes. These are melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, sublimation, and deposition. All phase changes are caused by adding or taking away energy. Here is the illustration how phase changes happen from one phase to another. And for you to understand more about phase changes, let us discuss each phases. Are you ready? Let's begin! Melting. It is a phase change from a solid to a liquid. What happens to molecules? Molecules speed up, move farther apart, and absorb heat energy. Energy in this situation is added. Examples are ice cream, candle wax, which is exposed to sunlight, and many more. Speed up, move farther apart, and absorb heat energy. Examples of this are ironing of clothes, melting of ice cubes, drying of wet hair, and many more. And what do you think is the last phase change? Exactly! It is sublimation. It is a phase change from a solid to a gas. Molecules in this phase speed up, move farther apart, and absorb heat energy. Example of this is dry ice, mothballs, perfume tablets, dye printing, and many more. Those are the 6 types of phase changes in matter. And take note that vaporization is a general word or term for any substance changing to a gas. Boiling, evaporation, and sublimation are all examples of vaporization. And for additional information, vaporization is a phase change from a liquid to gas. It occurs at the boiling point of matter. Molecules speed up and move further apart and absorb heat energy. Now, changing states does not change the chemical makeup of a matter. You have what you started with, just in a different form. For example, ice, when heated, it turns into score for that table. So for now, we will proceed to the question and answer portion. Class, I am so proud of you. I hope that you learned something today. And do not forget to apply those learnings in your daily living. That's all for today. Thank you, and God has blessed you all.